To do an oil change on this car, you're gonna need around 4.5 liters of oil, 5W30 viscosity. The part number of the oil filter, you're gonna find it on the screen. Also, you're gonna need something to open the oil filter cap because it has an uncommon size, which I believe it's around 37 millimeters. As you can see, I've got this adjustable range, set it to the maximum, and it fits perfectly in here. Then at the end, we're gonna register the oil change on a scan tool. So before lifting the car, let's open the oil cap. That way the airflow can travel through. Make sure that you've got the handbrake on. And since you're gonna lift the front of the car, you can place something to obstruct the wheel spinning backwards. So for example, if I'm gonna start to lift the car from this side, I'm gonna block that back wheel. Okay, so now the car is secured on jack stands. These suspension arms are basically the only solid metal exposed. Now let's remove this plastic cover so we can get access to the drain mold. You're gonna need the 8mm socket. Alright, so you're gonna need the 8mm hex. Let's try with a bigger ratchet, I've got more leverage. Oh, so it actually came out. Okay, so let's drain the oil then. Like now it's out, just like that. Make sure that you replace as well this copper gasket. Let's tighten it. Just apply around 18 foot-pounds. Let's clean a little bit here. I'm gonna place the cover back. Now it's time to add oil. I added 4 liters of oil. I'm gonna check the level a little bit later. Now let's change the filter. Now let's check the level. It has to be in between these two marks here. And here we go, it's actually exactly half. So that's perfect. I'm gonna start the engine and check the oil level again. If it's below that half, I'm gonna add like 200 milliliters more. All right, now let's register the oil change. Let's see special functions. Okay, we've got CBS reset. Pretty interesting, they set it to 29,000 kilometers. Okay guys, so thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more free videos like this. And until next time, as usual, have a nice day and I will see you in the next video.